Even in 2026, when the photography world is dominated by lightning-fast mirrorless cameras boasting blackout-free shooting and stack sensors, the Nikon D850 still carries a quiet gravitas. It doesn't seek attention with flashy features or marketing buzzwords. Instead, it simply exists as a remarkably complete photographic instrument, one that doesn't just aim to impress. It performs with consistency, reliability, and precision. The question isn't whether it was great when first released, but whether it continues to hold value in a world full of newer technologies. When it debuted, the Nikon D850 was ambitious in its mission to be the camera that could handle everything exceptionally well. Photographers typically had to make a compromise. Landscapes demanded high resolution, sports required rapid shooting, and to get both, professionals often had to invest in multiple bodies. Nikon challenged that convention. At the heart of the D850 lies a 45.7 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor with no optical low-pass filter, delivering uncompromising detail. This sensor doesn't just capture an image, it renders texture almost tangibly, from the subtle fibers in a portrait to the rugged contours of a mountain range. Even today, its dynamic range remains formidable. Shadows and highlights can be manipulated extensively without the image breaking into noise, allowing photographers to confidently tackle high-contrast scenarios that would fluster lesser systems. The camera's base ISO 64 is legendary among landscape photographers, delivering tonal depth and color richness that remains coveted years later. At this setting, images feel dense, smooth, and exceptionally malleable in post-processing. Highlights roll off naturally, shadows retain intricate details, and colors remain cohesive, even under aggressive editing. This is a testament to Nikon's philosophy that careful engineering often outperforms flashy innovation. Driving this sensor is the XP-D5 processor. While modern systems have moved to XP-D7 and 8, context is critical. The XP-D5 allowed the D850 to shoot 7 frames per second straight out of the box, and when paired with the optional NBD18 battery grip borrowed from the flagship D5, it could push to 9 frames per second, a staggering achievement for a camera producing 45 megapixel files. For wildlife and sports photographers, this speed wasn't just a number. It meant capturing real, continuous sequences with confidence, whether tracking a bird mid-flight or a sprinter exploding off the blocks. Autofocus on the D850 reinforces this confidence. Its multicam 20K 153-point module, derived from the D5, includes 99 cross-type points and 15 sensitive points capable of functioning in very low light. In practice, it locks onto subjects in dim stadiums or pre-dawn wilderness effortlessly. There's a distinct satisfaction when a DSLR nails focus. A half press of the shutter, a solid snap into clarity, no hesitation, no search pattern, just confirmation. While mirrorless cameras today offer advanced eye detection for humans, animals, and even birds mid-flight, many professionals still prefer the tactile immediacy of a dedicated phase detection system paired with a physical mirror. The mechanical rhythm of the shutter and mirror slap in continuous shooting feels deliberate, almost musical, connecting the photographer to the act of capturing an image in a way that a silent electronic viewfinder cannot replicate. Speaking of viewfinders, the D850's optical pentaprism is large, bright, and clear. Unlike electronic displays, it has no refresh rate or lag, and it reveals a scene directly through the lens with absolute fidelity. This clarity makes tracking fast-moving subjects feel fluid and natural, and unlike EVFs, it doesn't drain the battery. Battery life itself is another area where the D850 continues to shine. Rated officially for around 1,840 shots per charge, in real-world usage it often exceeds that, with photographers reporting 2,500 to 3,000 frames on a single battery. Wedding and travel photographers especially appreciate the freedom to shoot full events or day-long excursions without worrying about recharging. Build quality is another hallmark of the D850. Its magnesium alloy body, reinforced with extensive weather sealing, feels solid without being unwieldy. The grip is deep and comfortable, ideal for one-handed operation with heavier lenses, while buttons and dials respond with precision. This is a camera designed to survive rain, dust, and the inevitable knocks of professional work. Video capabilities, while not cutting edge by 2026 standards, remain respectable. The D850 can record full-frame 4K UHD at up to 30 frames per second, and Full HD at 120 frames per second for smooth slow motion. Internal recording is limited to 8-bit and contrast-based autofocus in live view, but the footage is detailed and color-rich, making it competent for hybrid shooters who prioritize stills but occasionally produce video. The tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen, boasting over 2 million dots, adds flexibility without compromising durability. Low-angle compositions and overhead shots are easier to achieve, and touch responsiveness makes menu navigation and focus selection intuitive. Storage options also demonstrate Nikon's foresight. Dual card slots, including one XQD or SPX Type B slot alongside a UHS-2 SD slot, allow for both speed and redundancy. Photographers can write RAW files to the faster card, while simultaneously backing up to the SD card, providing peace of mind for professional work. Of course, the D850 has limitations. Mirrorless cameras like the Nikon Z8 and Z9 offer blackout-free shooting, stack sensors, advanced subject recognition, in-body stabilization, and high bitrate internal video. The D850 has a mechanical shutter with inherent blackout between frames, video autofocus can hunt, and at over a kilogram with battery and card, it's far from lightweight. Yet these constraints matter only in context. For photographers specializing in landscapes, studio portraits, commercial assignments, or certain wildlife photography, the D850 still delivers more than enough performance. The real allure in 2026 lies in its value and longevity. As the industry continues shifting toward mirrorless, used D850 bodies have become incredibly accessible, often priced like mid-range mirrorless kits while still producing professional-grade results. This is a camera where you don't sacrifice image quality. You simply embrace a different approach to photography. Its core strengths: high-resolution sensor, exceptional dynamic range, robust autofocus, durable build. Don't rely on constant firmware updates or software features to remain relevant. These elements age gracefully, continuing to provide results that meet professional standards. In the end, the Nikon D850 is a reminder that true engineering can outlast trends. While the mirrorless revolution pushes boundaries in speed and automation, there's enduring value in a tool designed with precision, tactile feedback, and reliability at its core. It is not flashy, it is not ephemeral, but it is profoundly capable. A camera that continues to matter, even as technology marches forward. For photographers seeking an instrument that rewards patience, skill, and attention to detail, the D850 remains a compelling choice, blending tradition with uncompromising performance in a way that few modern cameras can match. The D850 proves that excellence isn't always about the latest features. Sometimes, it's about creating a machine that respects the craft, endures through time, and allows the photographer to create without compromise. In a landscape of rapid innovation, it stands as a testament to thoughtful design, mechanical precision, and the joy of working with a camera that feels alive in the hands. Its presence on the used market makes it accessible, but its capabilities remain firmly in the professional tier, ensuring that whether you're chasing landscapes, wildlife, or studio perfection, the D850 remains a partner worth trusting. Its legacy is more than megapixels or frame rates. It's the experience of using a camera that operates with intention, one that feels engineered for photographers rather than algorithms. In a world obsessed with technological leaps, the Nikon D850 reminds us that enduring quality, tactile engagement, and uncompromising image integrity never go out of style.